Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? Chances are you saw the fun little Happy Santa to Stamp that is our Stampin' Die Hard Club set of the month. But my friends, you know, if you know anything about me, you know I can't just stop with this. So I needed more Santas. And so here I have the cute little one that's kind of running. He's like in a hurry. He's got to get you those presents. And I have one holding a present with his sack open, showing you what he has. Lots of fun words, sending warm holiday hugs and heartfelt wishes, wishing you the gifts of love, joy, and good health this Christmas, sending you love and warm wishes for a wonderful Christmas just for you. It's a special delivery, and cherish the memories. Now, of course, you know the deal. There are Santas to match. Now, you know we give you the inside die and the shadow die for 2 different options. Also, I was able to throw in for free extra pieces for the tree, for the club tree, just in case you needed extra ornament die pieces, and for the star for the Christmas tree. So I was able to squeeze those in. Those are kind of like little freebies in there just because I wanted you to have extras. Now, but wait, there's more, because I couldn't stop with just words. So here we have a lot of fun words. We have Christmas blessings, that is stunningly beautiful. It's 2 different stamps, so you could do it on top of each other or you can do it side by side. May your Christmas be merry and your new year be bright. Jesus is the reason for this beautiful season. As we celebrate this festive season, let's remember Jesus, the ultimate reason. For the joy and merriment we hold dear is rooted in his love forever near. Santa Claus with his bag of toys brings laughter, wonder, and noise. But let us be thankful for the birth of Jesus Christ, our Savior on earth. That's a very good one. Okay, moving on. I know this doesn't look like much, so I'm going to show you the real version. Have a holly jolly Christmas. I fell in love with this font, and I'm like, oh, I need to make something with this font. So I added have a holly jolly Christmas. Sometimes you need a bigger Christmas one. Then, remember, if you watched the other video, I talked about this one a lot. This is the double plaid background die. And it is so fun. It's so gorgeous. Look at how fun that is. It's only 1 die, which is really nice. So it's going to give you a really nice cut. Now, I know a lot of people have issues with, because usually we do 2 dies, and some people have trouble really lining it up to make sure it cuts out perfect. This one, we really needed to do just 1 die, because if it's not perfectly straight, it doesn't look right because it's so beautifully intricate. Now, when I say it's intricate, it is, but it's still sturdy. This is still a very sturdy die. Now, we have a new card base, my friends. I didn't even tell you that in the beginning. I can't believe I didn't tell you that. We have a new card base that we're working with, and let me just tell you, it is stunning. Before I show it to you, I think I need to show you the sample because it's amazing. So it is a Christmas tree gatefold, but look, it has separate panels. So look, the tree matches up. There's our cute little Santa, and then you literally open it up, and it says, "May your Christmas be merry and bright." Now, look at all the dies in here. The Santa does not come with it, obviously, because that's in the club set. Look at all the dies you're getting. You are getting the card base. You're going to cut out 2 and put them back to back to make 1 card. You're getting that fun optional drop-in die. You're also getting the layer die. You're getting a whole bunch of little Christmas light pieces, and you're getting the little string for the tree if you want. And then you're getting that massive die that literally can take up the whole inside. May your Christmas be merry and bright. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, just a heads up. Remember that tree project I showed you that Michelle did? Look what she did. She took the Merry Christmas, used it separately because it's all separate on here. So she didn't even use this die. She just used 2 of the words from this die. Oh, right? I know. Look at that. So you can say, May your Christmas be merry if you want it. It doesn't have to say and bright. Just don't use the shadow. Lots of options. You guys, my whole deal is I always want to give you options so you can do different things if you want to. Now, I have tons of samples, Get in on that bundle ASAP for club members only. Once it's gone, it's gone. So if you're a club member, you must log in to the website. The website will not show it to you if you're not a club member or it doesn't know you're a club member. Log into the website and you will see that bundle. Get it quick. If you log in and you do not see that bundle, that means it's sold out. So make sure you log in. Now let's look at some samples. So here we have that fun Santa in a whole bunch of different poses on a slimline card, the decal edge. Isn't that gorgeous? Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Love it. Let's look at some more. Here I have a holly jolly Christmas. Ooh, this is a fun tag. Don't you love that? Look at all these optional tags. Oh my goodness, I'm throwing these on my Christmas presents this year. Look at this. Have a holly jolly Christmas. These are almost ornaments, right? Have a holly jolly Christmas. I love those. Now here's another fun one. Very, very easy to do. Have a holly jolly Christmas with our cute little Santa. May your Christmas be merry and your new year be bright. Okay, here's a, oh my word. Look at that Christmas tree, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Now this is a little different. Look at that. I love it. Joy to the World, who made this one. Miss Linda made this one. So she put the tree together. How did she do that? Well, what you can do is you can die cut it on that fold. If you fold your paper and die cut that, just the tree, then you can get the full tree, and look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that fun? And ooh, these backgrounds, you guys, that background, look at that double plaid background. Isn't it gorgeous? Now, oh, look at this. Look at it in foil. What? I know, right? In foil. Here's one. Hey, come on, let's not use it just for Christmas. Happy birthday! Why should we use it just for Christmas? Absolutely not, right? Let's see if I have any more of just that one. Oh, maybe not. I showed some more in the other video though, by the way. So let's look at, ooh, we can make a shaker out of that. Have a holly jolly Christmas using our 3D ink Cheryl did. Here's a cute one with our little Santa hat. Have a holly jolly Christmas. This is a perfect ornament, right? This would make such a cute little ornament. Let's see. It's always fun to see, like, oh, which should I show next? Oh, here's a fun one. Christmas trees do not have to be pink, green. Pink, I said pink. In fact, yes, they do make pink Christmas trees. Just saying. I don't have one, but just saying. Look how cute that is in blue. Now, here's one just using the words Christmas blessings. So pretty. Here's a cute one. Look at him. He's saying it's a special delivery. Love it. Oh, here's a cute one. I love that. Using our border dies and the stencil from the candy cane Fold It. Hopefully you're in the Fold It Club. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look at that Fold It Club candy cane on the side. What an extra little addition that changes your card so much, right? I told you I had a lot of samples. My design team just went bonkers. Have a holly jolly Christmas. This is a shaker card, which is so fun. What's this one? Ooh. Ooh, this is a sneak peek on this one. Sneak peek a little bit at the bottom, but look how cute that little Santa is. Be merry. Okay, let's look at some trees. Look at all these trees I have. I know, it's amazing. So let's look at this one. Open it up. Ooh, we have a fun tree, a triple tree. Look at that. May your Christmas be merry and bright. Love it. Here's a fun one. Ready? We're going to open it up. Oh, look at this. This is so fancy. Who did this? Michelle. So we're going to open the trees. Look, hang on. Ready? So here's our tree with the cute little star. We're going to open it up. May your Christmas be merry and bright. But she added a spot for a gift card. What? I know. Check that out. So what she did was, remember how you're going to put those two pieces back to back? So when you die cut this, you're going to die cut it twice. This piece is just like our regular gatefold card. This back piece, you're going to put back to back. Well, she only glued around like this, so she could drop in a cute little gift card. Genius idea. And she added a little star to it. I love that. Here's a cute one with Santa on the front. We're going to open this up. Oh, and another sneak peek. That Mary's a sneak peek. May your Christmas be merry and bright. And that, you know what, by the way, that Mary fits on there perfect. Just saying. Coming soon. Coming soon. Coming soon. Okay. Oh, these are tied. Oh, tricky, tricky. So we're going to open these up. And chances are I can never open them up fast enough on camera. So let's just see if I can just squeeze this down here. Ready? Ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. We're going to open it up. Whoops. Got a little stuck. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at how gorgeous that is. Here's another one. We're going to open this one up. And see those fun panels on the side, you guys? That's included in the die set. And we're going to open this one up. Look at how gorgeous those flowers are in the background. I know, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Now, you will be seeing more of these card bases in the future. One thing I want to mention really quick before we go. Why do we make you cut out 2? We have you cut out 2 to save you a boatload of money. A boatload. Because if we made this die one piece, first of all, it would be out to here. You wouldn't be able to use it on regular 6-inch machines. You'd have to use an extended card platform, and it would cost you way more. This way, we've shortened the size of the die. You just cut it twice and boom, you're done. I know, isn't it awesome? Go check it out. TheStampsOfLife.com club members, you know the deal. You're getting a club discount, 15 to 20% off the entire website, even flash sale prices. Go check it out. TheStampsOfLife.com, and you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.